Roger Penske started in motor racing. They have the most successful sports team now in the world with Team Penske. Many people will know them from IndyCar, NASCAR and also the V8 supercars where they've had huge success. Penske is also very big in car dealerships and now truck dealerships around the world. They've got over 340 dealerships.
The company distributes the Western Star and MAN trucks. We also have the MTU and Detroit diesel engines, as well as the Allison transmissions. And we sell those products throughout New Zealand. We also service them and sell the parts to maintain those. Got a branch in Auckland and we needed to service the South Island. It was Calder Stewart that had the greatest flexibility with the land that was available.
Hornby Quadrant is Calder Stewart's industrial business park, centred on the fringe of the city right next to the southern motorway.
We thought that was an optimal place for us to place our branch. It gives our customers the ability to come in and out quite easily from the freeway. We have a 80-page building specification that gets tendered out, and Calder Stewart clearly were able to identify our requirements, and it was their attention to detail that really spoke volumes to us, because that's what we're all about as a company. Once we started construction, we needed to grab some extra land because we realised that we needed more trailer parking. So Calder Stewart were able to offer us that flexibility and expand the land that we required to give us the perfect site for us.
They have 10-tonne overhead gantry crane, air lines, oil lines, so there was quite a lot of options that we had to work through.
We have 18 truck bays that are available. It gives us plenty of capacity for our customers to come in when they need it.
The New Zealand trucks are currently at 23-metre length. Most workshop bays aren't long enough to fit a full truck and trailer unit inside. We've gone to 30-metre span, so we can fit in a truck even if trucks in the future go longer. It means we can operate more efficiently, we can get things in and out of the buildings. Roger was one of the first to line up all of his tools and pit stops nice and neatly, and that allowed him to get quicker pit times. And we take those learnings on board here in the dealership. You know, when you look around, everything's nice and tidy, everything has its place. We can just get on with it, get the job done, and get the vehicle back out on the road where it can earn some money for the customer.
Of course, every branch needs a showroom to display all its products, and we have a parts warehouse there. It's 500 square metres that gives us plenty of stock for our customers here to ensure that they get their parts and don't have to have their truck off the road for too long.
It's very cold in Christchurch, and we're very fortunate to be the only dealership I've been in with a heated floor. Our people are our greatest resource. We don't want them leaving, we want them staying, and it's all those little things like that that really make a big difference.
This is probably my 13th, 14th building, and without a doubt it was a surprise to me to come to Christchurch and find probably one of the best construction companies I've worked with. They've met the brief and exceeded it.
To take a winning team with the resource of Penske behind us and put them in this world-class facility, we can just achieve amazing things, and it's really quite exciting.